Alright, welcome to my first tutorial. I am 3D Hack and this is my design. I designed this Rupee Storage Case display for Thin Air 3D's Rupee Storage Case. The second I posted it, I immediately started getting questions on different tips and tricks to get these lettering sticking out from the actual body of it. So I did that in Fusion360 and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first we're going to create a sketch. And just for simplicity's sake, we'll just create a rectangle and then add some text into that rectangle. Go ahead and drag and drop, spell out something. Well, for this instance, we're going to go with the word hello. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, make it 10 millimeters just so it sticks out a little bit more. Now, from there, what we need to do is extrude, which means give it a little bit of depth, right? So we're going to make the base of this 2 millimeters, so that way we've got some room to go in. And then we're also going to go and make the characters, the letters of hello, 3 millimeters. And what that'll do is it'll allow us to have that sticking out just a little bit above the body. Now you want to join the body of the rectangle and the characters together so it creates one body. Now what we want to do is be able to separate the word hello so we can capture that size without modifying it in the future. So we need to split the word that is sticking out above the flat from the actual remainder of the thing. So go ahead and construct an offset plane, and now we're going to separate the bodies. So you go to modify and then split body. The body to split will be the only thing to choose, and then the splitting tool will be that offset plane that we created. You click OK, and it creates each one of the characters that are above that offset plane as a separate body. So now you got bodies 2 through 6 that are the letters hello. What we're going to do is we're going to highlight those, tap M for move, we're going to create a copy of it, and we're going to drag that off to the side. Now what this will do is this allows us to retain the original size hello, while when we go into the actual body where we will insert it, we can mess around with those tolerances and make those a little bit larger, so when we print the hello, it will snugly fit into the actual body, the rectangle that we're modifying. Now we're going to go back into the rectangle and modify the hello to create an inset for us to drop those letters. So we're going to extrude that down -2 millimeters, and it's actually going to cut a little slot for us to stick our letters inside that rectangle. Now if we were to print hello and this rectangle at the same time, the letters would not fit at all because they are perfectly sized. What we need to do is create a little bit of more tolerance to be able to let the characters fit inside this. So we hit the letter Q for push-pull, and we select every single face. Now for time's sake, I'm only selecting a few of them. Now what I do for these is 0.3. So I do -0.3, and that will open up those tolerances just a little bit to allow us to be able to drop those characters in and snugly fit them. Usually it's between 0.3 and 0.2, and it will drop in and fit, like press fit. So you shouldn't need any adhesive, but you might, but that's how it works. From here, you extrude the hello to add a little bit more depth to have it stick out past the rectangle just a little bit, and then you drop them both into your slicer of choice, give it a print, and see how it works. Good luck everybody, and happy printing!